Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the artichoke scooter on Grow a Garden. You're just going to plant your artichoke. You'll get the seed from Crispy. Obviously, the event is over, but if you got the artichoke seed, do not harvest it until it gets at least 9 mutations is what I've heard. I'm going to try just once because this is the only artichoke that I have. You'll need at least a minimum of 9 or 10 mutations on the artichoke. Then you are just going to harvest your artichoke here, which I'm doing right now. Let me just unfavorite that real quick. Then I'm just going to select it, and then hopefully I can actually use it as a scooter. Let me get the artichoke. Is it this one? And as you can see, you have a scooter. Oh my god, I finally got it. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.